Yo, before this video starts, I know it's Monday and you're probably wondering, yo, why are we getting a Cheap Finds Friday on a Monday? Basically, I had this filmed and everything, but I didn't get a chance to edit it until now, which is Monday. I'm so sorry about that. Today, I had a chance to edit this video and I figured, you know what? Why wait till Friday to post a Cheap Finds Friday video? Let's kick the week off with a nice Cheap Finds Friday. So without any further ado, let's get it started. Cheap Finds
Friday.
And we're back, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm out here with David Got Kicks.
Hey, thanks for having me back on the channel.
In the mix. As you guys can tell by the title, we are bringing Cheap Finds Friday back. I had a lot of people DM me saying that they missed this series. So we are out here at the Great Mall. Let's get this video started. This is cringe.
Yes, sir. I'm excited, dude. Oh, I'm excited.
The juices are flowing. Let's go.
We have to get out of our comfort zone. It's been a while. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this anymore.
Okay, let's do it. You have to do it. Come on. One of the biggest L's that we've ever taken.
I paid $225.
I think I paid $250 for
Dude,
mine.
it's because these were like a Japan release.
And now they're everywhere.
Like a year later.
These are one of the best Crocs though, hands down. I don't really wear Vans like that anymore, but if I did, these might be on the list. 70 bucks, little paisley action.
These are the Hello Kitty Prestos without the Hello Kitty.
Wait. Wow. Yo.
Magic.
Ooh, they got Yeezy slides here.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Why?
All right, Alex, your girl shows up in these on her first date.
She ain't my girl no more.
I'm out. Hey, but if you do wear those, we're not like flaming anyone.
No, we're flaming her. Yo, David, what if your date pulled up in these?
But I'm out. He ain't mine anymore.
We're checking out the Puma store. I might be looking for a pair of black Puma suedes, but I need a deal though. So we're gonna try looking for them in here. It's a simple and clean everyday shoe. Let's see if we can find some black Puma suedes. They got the off-white ones. 134. Whoa, that's weird. What the heck? Guys, it is looking rough today. Oh boy, the energy is down. I don't know if you guys have been keeping up with the lottery or not. This is super random, but I think the payout is $1 billion. So if you guys were to win the lottery, what would you do with $1 billion? David, what are you doing? First thing you're buying?
Buying you a house.
Okay.
You know what I'm buying?
What are you buying?
I'm buying you a real camera instead of this little piece of not what it used to be, man.
This is definitely not what it used to be, but they're not here for the shoes. You gotta remember that at the end of the day. They're here for us.
You're right.
Guys, if you ever see these slides, do not be fooled. These are the worst slides to ever exist. I bought a pair because I was like, hey, they look kind of cool. They look kind of chunky. They look nice or whatever. When you try them on though, bro, they feel like trash.
Wait, what?
What are you doing?
Wait, is that true?
That is true.
I don't want them now.
You see these? Freaking thick, bro. It's hard to walk in these. I wouldn't recommend them.
You know what these look like?
What do they look like?
Like your foot broke and you're wearing a boot.
Dude, okay, chill.
What do you mean chill? That's what it looks like.
Somebody's at home watching this with a broken foot right now.
But that's what it looks like, right? You told me to chill because that's spot on.
You know what this looks like?
Eye patch.
Okay, the first actual steal that we found today. Retail is 35 bucks for these slides and you can find them for $15 right now. These are just the classic Benassi black and white Nike slides. They got an assortment of sizes right here. We got all the way up to 13, some 14, some 9s.
Wait.
What?
Did you say $14.99?
$14.99.
I'm buying a pair now.
Are you really?
No. You know what I used to do? I don't know if you remember like the old David Got Kicks.
Old David Got Kicks. Gucci slide custom.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did. And then I would paint them Tiffany and then I would sell them on Etsy.
So you're a businessman.
I try to be.
Dang, Travis Scott's business must be doing well.
It's definitely not. I'm in the hole. Yo, they got 350Z cologne.
Oh my god.
If this is 350Z cologne, this is Nissan Altima cologne.
Dang, you smell like backwoods.
Backwoods.
Backwoods and a whole bunch of DUIs.
Oh shoot. Whole bunch of unpaid parking tickets. Wait.
The Cusco 4 is on deck. Yeah.
It's always a hit or a miss. Well, actually,
it's
always
usually,
a miss.
yeah, usually misses.
What are you doing?
Get my waves in. Just hold up. Like, you see how it's normal right now?
Yeah.
Here, hold up, watch this.
Oh, we're about to see a wave check.
Yo, that's wavy.
Wave check.
Oh my god.
Bro, I think this will be funny for like skits.
There's somebody wearing a do-rag right now that's watching this video. I'm just kidding.
Okay, is there someone with a broken foot, a Nissan Altima? We're ending the video right here.
And somebody that has waves that's watching this video right now. Disappointed. Content.
Content. See the stuff we have to go through, guys. This is a lot of mental.
Content. It's too much.
Yo, they got bread one. Never mind.
That's nonsense.
Yo, my dude got the stilettos on.
You already know, baby. Yo, these are kind of fresh on our feet. Yo.
Are those Vans?
No, they're Echoes. Unlimited.
Sick. All right, now what?
Are you recording me right now? You know I could see you, right?
Yo. What the frick, dude?
Yo, these are actually kind of hard. Just imagine David got kicks right now with the skeleton hoodie on, with these shoes on. Bro. Supposedly there's a shoe store that just opened up in this mall, which is super weird because this is it's like a clearance or outlet mall, but there's like a sneaker resale store that I've seen some people post. So if we could find it, I'm gonna show you guys how this store is looking. I don't know what the name is. I don't know what they're selling. I don't know how their prices are. Oh, it's Soulmate right there. Oh, we're about to find out. I've been looking for wave runners. Oh man, I don't know. Every time I have these, I don't wear them and I end up selling them and then I want them again. If I do get it again, it would be the third time, bro. But I don't know, something about them. It's calling me now. I forget the name of these, but these are pretty fire. Ooh, and they got the purple skeletons. I need those. Vintage Soul. Got some dunks. Small size dunks. Okay, they got a good selection here. Look at this wall.
First cop of the day, we have a ham dog toy. I've honestly been looking for this for a while, so Marshall's always coming in clutch. And then we got the alien. Pretty lit.
Do the pig again. Jesus. Shawty thick. Oh my god. Just got my first cop of the day. We got a candle from Bath and Body Works. So random, but man, your boy's been liking candles. We're growing up. We're growing up a little bit.
2016 Alex would have bought like a pair of shoes. Nope, he's evolved to candles.
Yeah, candles and expensive slippers. And dog toys.
And dog toys.
Oh my god. Okay, to end this video off, I'm gonna show you guys the couple pickups that I got in the past few days. So all of these are kind of random pickups, but I figured I will go ahead and end this video with the pickups that I got. So for David's birthday, we went to San Francisco and we passed this store that had this little corgi plushie. So I ended up buying this because, see Butters? See Butters right there? She needs a little friend, so I got a corgi plushie. The only thing I don't like about this is that it's so freaking top heavy, dude. Look at this. You just gotta kind of angle it like that. Shout out to the homie Paperboy. Make sure you guys drop him a follow. Super chill dude. And we have his M3 right here. So this looks super clean. Thank you so much for this t-shirt. This quality is honestly insane. I don't know if you guys know about white tees and how they feel sometimes, but this is like a nice and heavy white t-shirt. So thank you, Paperboy. Next up, we have some pieces that were sent out from Hibbett Sports. So they went ahead and threw me this t-shirt right here. This is just a Nike t-shirt. I don't know what the name of this one is. So they sent me this. It has a nice print on here. Ooh, we got some mushroom action. We got some cactus action. This kind of reminds me of like, this is giving me like an Arizona vibe, but it's also giving me some sort of like Lake Tahoe vibes. I don't know where this is exactly, but shout out to Hibbett Sports for sending this. This is kind of like a baseball tee right here. So we got those two. And they also blessed me with a fresh pair of white and brown Air Force Ones. These things are super clean. I'll definitely be wearing these. They were gonna send me the white and blue ones, but I was like, man, I think I would wear the white and brown ones a little bit more. So shout out to Hibbett Sports for these. I appreciate you guys. Next up, I purchased a Bape towel. This was at Bait in SF. We ended up parking super far and I was like, bro, I gotta get something from this store to make that walk worth it. So I was like, you know what? Let me just get a nice little Bape towel. It matches my Bape hand towel in the bathroom. So I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Now for the last couple pickups, I got this skateboard from Weekfest. This is an R35 with the Varus kit. It basically looks like mine. Same wheels, same kit. The only thing that's different is this diffuser right here. I used to have a big Voltex wing on there too, so I thought this was perfect. And then the last piece that I got, these are some Kith pants that I got from the homie Colin. They're kind of pleated right here down the middle, super comfortable. Nice little designs on them. Kith with the details. He threw me this for a really good price because he was just getting rid of stuff from his closet, which you could also find right here, Colin's closet. if you guys want to buy anything from the homie Colin. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, edit this video and get it up for you guys. If you guys are also interested in cars, go ahead and check out my vlog channel. I'll try to have the WeekFest rollout video done by today. So if you guys miss WeekFest and you want to check out the cars or just see how the Bay Area car scene is, that video will be up. The link will be down below in the description to the channel. So make sure you guys check that out. I'm gonna get to finish editing this, so this is up today on Monday. I hope y'all have a beautiful week. I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy SneakerHeadInTheBay. I'm out. Peace.